Hi everyone, I'm Shubha Kumar, a digital marketing expert and a coach, and today I'm going to share with you how to get started with pay-per-click advertising as a beginner. When you look at internet marketing, you must be thinking that there are million new chunks of information and advice about what you should do and what you shouldn't in online marketing coming at you every day. Even when I was new to digital marketing, I remember that being very confused and worried because it seemed like I had to learn so much. However, that's not the case. Digital marketing is for smart people like you, and you have got to remember, there is one aspect of online business that has been known to be of utmost importance over the years. This is the concept that you can have the best product in the world being sold from the most fantastic website, but without visitors to your site, your business is just dead in the water. In simple terms, if you have a golf equipment site to which you attract golfers, you will make sales. Now, if you attract tropical fish enthusiasts or food enthusiasts, the chance of making sales are far smaller. The second important factor about targeted visitors to your site is that more of them you can attract, the more sales you can make. In a nutshell, this is a central key to online success. If you can attract targeted visitors to your site, you will make sales, and the more targeted traffic you attract, the more sales you will make. PPC advertising is one very effective and quick way of marketing. Make sure that you do. Now let's look at what PPC really is. What is PPC? Types of PPC. Pay-per-click is also known as PPC. It's an exceptional kind of advertising wherein a brand places an ad online and pays each time a user clicks on it. There is no cost to place the advertisement. The cost is only incurred when users engage with the ad. It may seem like a new topic to you, but guess what? You have been seeing it all over search engines and websites for a long time now. How? Well, look at the ad symbol next to search results. That's a form of PPC known as search advertising. These are ads that appear as search results on search engine results page. You can check out another form of PPC. Check it out on websites popularly known as display advertising. These are ads that appear as graphics, videos, or paid posts typically found on social media feeds and other third-party websites. How PPC works. PPC has a simple way of functioning. Each time there is an ad spot on a search engine results page, an immediate action takes place for the keyword. A wide range of factors, including the bid amount and the quality of the ad, decide the winner who will appear in top spot of the search engine results page. This is what keeps PPC going. Accounts are split into campaigns for ease of management and reporting of different locations, product types, and other useful categories. Campaigns are further divided into ad groups that contain keywords and relevant ads. To get involved in these auctions, advertisers like you use accounts on platforms like Google Ads to set up your ads and determine where and when you would like those ads to appear. Now, let's look into the different elements of PPC. Keywords. Keywords is the important element of PPC, connecting advertisers to users' search queries. Queries are basically the actual words that users type into the search box of a search engine in order to find results. Keywords, on the other hand, are what marketers use to target these users by matching their search queries. Ads. Along with keywords, you need to prepare ads in your campaigns. These come together with ad groups that target shared set of keywords and so are organized by common themes. Ads are what the users will see if the auction is won. So they are very important to get it right. They typically contain a headline, URL, description. Here's a tip for you. Budgets are set at the campaign level and can be exceeded on a daily basis, but you cannot overspend on a monthly basis, or else your business is going to die out. The next step is ad rank. Highest bidding isn't everything here. Search engine looks at other steps to determine which ad should be at the top and most valuable spot on the search engine results page. Google, for example, considers bid amount, ad relevance and quality, the context of the search such as the user's device and the time of the day, format impact, whether it includes extension that enhance the format of the ad. Targeting. Choosing the right keywords is what allows advertisers to show ads to relevant audiences. But there are other targeting options available to optimize campaigns, including device, location, date and time, demography. This way, advertisers can target users who are on mobile in the evening or users who are under 25 and within a certain radius of a particular location in order to optimize the performance of their ads. Conversions. Conversions are the actions that advertisers want users to complete after clicking on an ad and depend on the type of business being advertised. For example, purchasing a service, signing up for newsletters, and so on. However, there are some drawbacks with PPC. They can be solved too. Let's look into it. Problems and solutions. Problem 1. Increased ad spend. PPC ads surely are a lot more expensive, and yes, its demand is increasing, therefore prices too. But you need to understand this investment is very small against the kind of return on investment you can enjoy. So, although PPC investment is fairly high, the issue can be taken care of in a simple way by doing extensive and smart keyword research and look at the ROI than the investment. Problem 2. Expert knowledge. PPC is difficult to master. It takes years of experience and understanding of the market. You need to be truly passionate about PPC advertising to learn it or the solution for it. Hire a PPC marketer. Remember, PPC isn't about guesswork. There is extensive research, effort, and knowledge put behind every campaign. Problem 3. Trust issues. When you decide to go the PPC way, you need to trust it. PPC ads do seem unreliable and unappealing for visitors to visit because by now they also know the ads are all paid. It's alright, you as a company need to believe in the strategy and go on. Trust me, you will get the desired outcomes if you follow our channel. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap on the bell button for instant updates to become the marketer you want to become. Let's look into PPC advertising for businesses which can benefit your business. PPC is a vital marketing style for smart marketing, along with increasing brand visibility as well. It helps in budget control since the budget is set beforehand, ensuring not even one more cent is spent extra from your account. Targeted ads also help. Pick the spot you wish to target from, for whom, and this and that. Higher ROI is the ultimate goal for a business. Obtain it quickly via PPC. Targeted advertising based on geolocation, ad scheduling, and so on. In simple words, be visible based on the dedicated time and need. Quicker results because you're ranking on top and the keywords are great. Immediate and consistent traffic because PPC campaigns do not take more than 30 minutes to set up. Pay only for clicked ads because cost per click is a principle followed here. That's exactly what your business needs for all-round and quality development of the company. PPC gives you company the kickstart it needs today. Now let's get into the PPC advertising for beginners. The beauty about PPC marketing is that there is not much to do. All you need to do is be smart or hire someone smart. There's too much competition out there. You as a beginner can excel. Just make sure you stay true for yourself and for your business. When you're beginning your career as a PPC advertiser, it's pretty much like any other career beginning, except it's a lot more fun. So that's it everyone. Please do not forget to like, share and comment on the video. We would like to know your take on PPC. We are passionate towards helping you nurture and become a digital marketer. So let's make it happen. See you soon.